Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. So here's my look I created using my Boxy charm box that I got in my, I think it was January or February box. But yeah, I really like these colors. They came out really pretty. But if you guys want to see how I got this look, please keep on watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Leave a comment, let me know what you think of this look and what other videos you might want to see me do. Don't be a stranger and stay safe. Alright, let's get started. So I'm going to take this pretty vulgar concealer and I'm going to use that for my lids as my base today. And this one is Undercover. And I'm just going to use my concealer buffer and blend that into my skin. I used to use my LA Girl, but I wanted to use a lighter color today to see if it made a difference with the way that my eyes look. Then I took the Sacha Buttercup setting powder to set. So this is the palette. I'm going to take the shade called Cup of Joe with my Luxie blending brush, and I'm going to use this as my transition shade. Then I'm going to use that shade here, Unboxed, with the same brush in my crease and blend it up towards my brow bone. I'm just blending out my edges with Cup of Joe. Now I'm going to take this NYX glitter primer, glitter glue, whatever, and I'm going to use a Wet n Wild concealer brush and apply this onto my lid. Because I'm using a pressed pigment and I want to make sure that it sticks and it's really vibrant. Or it could be a topper, I'm not really sure. So I'm going to take that shade here, Charmed. And I'm using a small shader brush, and I'm going to pack that onto my lid. This brush is also by Luxie. Ooh, I just ate some tacos, and that hot sauce, still taste it. Alright, next I'm going to take this shade. It's a topper called Swipe Up, and I'm just going to take my finger and apply some of that onto my lid, just for some added sparkle. Then I'm going to blend out my edges. Now I'm going back to my old go-to, my NYX Keep It Matte liquid eyeliner for my wing today. I'm going to have to get a new one because this one is getting kind of clumpy. Even though I haven't had it for that long, and I make sure that I always close it, but now when I take the applicator out, it'd be a little glob on there. Alright, now I'm going to take my Maybelline Long Lasting Drama Gel Eyeliner in Silken Turquoise from my waterline. And then I'm going to take the same shade that I used for my transition, Cup of Joe, and Unboxed. I'm also going to go in with the Charmed. Now I'm going to take my Thrive Cosmetics Lash Extension Mascara and apply that. I really love this mascara. It goes on so easily and it washes off just as easy. Now I'm just gonna highlight my brow bone. They sent me this palette because my first box I didn't get. I don't know what happened to it, so I don't know if this was a freebie, and I'm using Luxe for my brow bone. Now I'm just taking my Ciate Eye Luster Cream Pigment just halfway across my crease, just directly into the crease. Just for a little added something something. And that's what it looks like right there. Got that in a Boxy charm box, or was it ISB? I don't even remember. It was one of them. Then I'm also going to apply some in the inner part of my eye to highlight. And I believe I'm using an eyeliner brush. Now I'm going to set my face using my Maybelline Lasting Fix Setting Spray. Then I'll take my trusty fan to dry that down. Got this at Target for 12 bucks. And it's battery powered, but it also, the battery stays in and you could charge it with the USB or plug into the wall. Now for my lips, I'm going to take my NYX Nebula lip liner. And then I'm taking my iconic lip gloss here that I got in my BoxyCharm box as well. And I thought it was going to be a little bit more pinker, so I ended up adding another color on top of it. So this is my Wet n Wild Liquid Catsuit High Shine lip gloss. And I forget what color this is. If you guys really want to know, leave it in the comments and I'll tell you. It was just the next thing that I saw and I'm like, oh, let me use that. Alright, there you have it. Here's the completed look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so for watching and stay safe. See you in my next video, which is going to be a pink and blue and purple look. Love you guys. Bye.